Hey everyone, welcome to this video. When it comes to choosing a CRM, you will listen to name, Close and HubSpot. But which one is better for you? In this video, I will break down the key differences, pricing, the pros and cons, each and everything, so you can make the right decision without wasting time. So let's get into it. If I talk about Close first, then Close is a CRM that's focused on sales teams. It basically designed to start up small businesses or anyone who wants to speed up their sales process. Its standout feature is everything is built in, like calling, email, SMS, all directory in one CRM. You don't need to buy 10 different tools. It also a powerful automation and smart view, pipeline tracking, built-in reporting, each and everything you can find. So if you are in sales, Close can feel fast, focus, and build for action. And if I talk about pricing, Close is start at $49 per user per month, and with the startup plan, it $109. But it unlocks more advanced automation like power dealer and extra integration. Now the downside is it's purely a sales CRM. It doesn't do like landing pages, marketing emails, or form builders. So if you are looking for a full-scale marketing tool, then this might feel limited. Now let's talk about HubSpot. Basically, this is a full-stack CRM. It covers everything: sales, marketing, customer services, even content management. With HubSpot, you can automate email, generate lead, build pipeline, you can close your deal, even you can create content and managing content from this. And you can set chatbots, track leads, all from this one dashboard. Sounds great, right? And this is why it's excellent for businesses that want to scale their business in marketing, sales, customer services from one single dashboard. So if I talk about the pricing of HubSpot, then basically it starts from $800 per month per user. You can do some work in free, but it's not going to help you that much. But this has a lot of option in product. If you want to use only marketing, then it has some plan like $800 per month for 3 seats, 5 seats for $600 per month. In sales section, it has different pricing, so it has some option for different creators or different business owner, so you can buy which one you need to use. But if you are just starting, then the free version will be great for you. But as soon as you want automation, reporting, customer workflow, the price will jump, and their starter plan around $20 or $30 maybe per month. But serious team usually need the professional plan, and which one start for the $890 per month, and that's not for per user. So which one is better for you? If your focus is pure sales and you want a simple high-speed CRM with built-in calling, minimal distractions, then you can go with Close. It's perfect for lean teams who want result without overcomplicate things. But if you need an all-in-one platform with strong marketing tools, lead generation features, and long-term scalability, then you should go with HubSpot. It will be worth for you. At the end of the day, I can say both are powerful tool, and it just depends on your priorities and your budget. And if you need more information with more details, then you can check our description. I will provide all the links, all the details information in the description section, so check that out. If you want more CRM comparison or tips, then subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.